Great job today. If you enjoyed this session, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Practice daily and stay healthy. See you in the next video.
Great job today. If you practice this daily, you will feel stronger, healthier, and more relaxed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stand comfortably and relax your body. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Again, breathe in.
Không chăm đen. Nóจะเจ็บดันดา
Arms up. Now bend to the right. Hold it. Breathe. Now to the left side. Feel the stretch in your waist. Come halfway up. Keep your back straight. Hold for a moment. And relax again.
เยี่ยมอีกไทยตดทิ้งปานทางการนะคะบันเดียงเคลื่อนเพนผลเพลินปั้นชำแจงบานทีมการอาจารย์ที่ต่อบ้าง
Now lift your left leg. Hold. And bring it down gently.
Відмідавачі крім правідро, другу може слоїти в небодне. І тому, чи потоміє те подєтне, потім працяне, заводити в эту гору.
มีปีเขินทองแต่งนะครับจันพาเพื่อนี้นะครับแต่นะครับ
I am strong. I am focused. I will win this race.
Keep your balance and slowly rotate the ankle clockwise and then switch to counterclockwise for 3 reps. Great job. Place your hands on your hips. Now slowly rotate your hips in a circular motion. Keep it smooth and controlled. Now reverse. Bend your knees slightly like this. Place your hands on them and rotate them slowly and gently. This helps protect your knee joints.
Nu kan du judo a uving hakshi the porving ways in the 8-hand, the tinning shorters with everyone gun team, and then with the fei team the braps on the craft.
Stand straight and slowly lift your heels off the ground. Balance on your toes. Hold for a few seconds and slowly come down. Repeat this.
One of the golder several at Mandai, and they always sent Middle were Yona and Blat